nakita kung gumawa yan. Pagkatapos may umupo, may nakakita. Garland yung nakakita kagad, yung sinabi kagad eh. Mali talaga yan. Nambobola talaga yan.
Sir, but also General Garland also in effect cleared General Aballante in his book. So,
No, he did not.
Sir, wala naman evidence linking. Wala naman direct linking, sir, that he
That is his own statement.
So-
it will be the committee who will make that statement.
it can be selective
So,
in
hindi
that.
pa
So,
law.
they can be selective.
Sa akin kasi, the PMA group, they are very conflicted. They're really because ang mga kasama nila sa PMA, pareho silang tradition, pareho dinaanan lang. So, nahihirapan. Even Alba, ito nga it happened in 2013, ngayon lumabas, 2019. It took a long time for somebody who went out of the service to be able to speak, to find the opportunity to speak out. May nangyayari.